Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to balance a chemical equation very easy by using this simple technique. So let's consider the reaction on the board. We have C10H22 reacting with O2 to produce CO2 and H2O. To use this technique, the first thing is list the elements in the left hand side of the reaction. So here I have C, I have H, and I have O. So after this, you now write the total number of each of these elements there. So here I have C to be 10, H to be 22, and O to be 2. Then we'll move to the right hand side of the reaction and do the same thing. So here I have C, H, O. Now how many C's are there? 1. H, 2. O, we have 1 here, 2 here, and 1 plus 2 is 3. After this, you now try to balance these numbers. So in the left hand side, the number of C is 10, but this side is 1. So I have to multiply this one by a particular number so that the result will be 10. And what I'm to multiply is 10 because 1 times 10 is 10. So I will now go wherever I see C, I'll write 10 against that. So here I'll have 10 CO2. That means that C has been balanced. Then we'll take H. Here we have 22. This side 2. We'll try to balance this one. What number will you multiply by 2 and you get 22? It means that here I have to multiply by 11. So I will now go where there is H, then I'll write the 11 there. After this, a level O. So I will now consider O in the right hand side of the reaction. So you see that here O, we have 11 times 1 here. So the O here, we have 11 of them. Then this side, O, here there are 2. So if I multiply by 10, it will be 20. So here, now the total will now be 11 plus 20. And that will be 31. So the total O's here is 31. But when you come here, we have 2 of them. So to balance this, I have to write this one as 31 over 2. 31 over 2 because here we have 2 of them. So if I take 31 over 2 and multiply that by that 2, you see this will cancel this and the total will be what? 31. And this is the balancing of the reaction. But if you want, you can try to make all the coefficients to be whole numbers instead of making this one to be fraction. So if you don't want to leave your answer this way, you can try to multiply by the denominator. That means that here the denominator is 2. So I will multiply through this reaction by 2. So now, my new equation, if I want to change it into that form, it will be C10 H22 plus O2 mapping to CO2 plus H2O. So if I'm now going to multiply through by 2, here it will be 2. The 2 that I'll multiply by this will cancel this. It will now be 31. Then the 2 that I'm going to multiply here to be 2 times 10. That will now give me 20. And here it will be 11 times 2. And that will be 22. So this one or this, any of them is the right balancing of the reaction. Thank you for watching this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabila Mahami Online Class, for more videos. Bye bye.